Welcome back, and thanks for making it Mr. Prima Vision, back with some more top shelf sports content. It was reported by Leighton Levy, Sportsmax journalist and friend to this channel, that young Jamaican sprinter Briana Williams had made herself available for the World Sports Indoor Championship in Belgrade. This was announced in an interview her coach did with Sportsmax. If you want to check out the article, it's on sportsmax.tv. Briana Williams is the second fastest Jamaican woman over 60 meters indoors this season. Elaine Thompson-Ewa's 7.04 is the fastest by a Jamaican woman, followed by Briana with 7.09. The third fastest is Sharika Jackson, who stopped the clock with 7.12. However, only Briana Williams has made herself available for the World Indoors so far. Thompson-Ewa is not expected to run any more indoor races this season, and Sharika Jackson is not expected to participate at the World Indoor Championships. Briana's coach, Boldin, told Sportsmax, "It would be easy to say, well, Euro travel is a hassle, or let's get ready for outdoors. But a deal is a deal. And I told her if she ran 7.0, she could go, and she not only done that, she recaptured some of that 2018-2019 hungry as hell Briana form. So I'm eager to see the results of all the work she's put in." Now Briana Williams' 7.09 that she ran in New York makes her the sixth fastest woman in the 60 meters event this year. However, she will be up against athletes that are more used to the indoor environment and the short distance of the 60 meter sprint. With this in mind, we asked Leighton Levy, what are the most realistic expectations for Briana at the World Indoor Championships?
709 is our personal best. There are a number of women who've gone a lot faster this year. Swoboda, Sant-Price, Kambunji, Makaya Briscoe. You know, she hasn't raced in several weeks now. But I assume that she's been working to sharpen up with coach Otto Boldin. So if she gets to the World Indoor Championships and executes well against women who are a lot more experienced than she is in the 60 meters, she could medal. It is going to be a tough ask, but it's a possibility. 709 is not that much slower than, say, 705, 704. I think times like those would probably get her on the podium, 704, 705, somewhere in that region. But she'd have to get her start back and execute the phases of the race really, really well. And if she does that, I think 705, 704 is possible. If she does that, she could end up on the podium.
Okay, so there you have it, an exclusive only on Mr. Prima Vision, and thanks again to Leighton Levy. Okay, at this point we're going to ask you to please click the like button, and if you're new around here, please subscribe to the channel as we continue to work hard and bring you top shelf content with the best analysts and experts. Alright guys, stay tuned for more content. We'll be back.